Hi friends, I'm back with one more video on this 7 kg LG front loading washing machine model FHM 1207 SDW. In this video, I'm going to explain one particular program, that is a Quick 30 program. I'll also be showing load being washed, but before that I'll explain in detail what this program has, that is the various options of temperature, spin, etc. So come on, let's see. But before I get started, I'd like to share that this video is being recorded on my new iPhone 16e. So I'll select the Quick 30 program. So first of all, I'll show the default temperature and spin setting. So by default, it goes to 30 degrees. Then you have the 40 degrees, 0 degrees, 20 degrees, back to 30. So you have the options of for temperature 0, 20, 30 and 40. So we'll neglect 0 and 20. It's mainly for colder weather. So you can say for all practical purposes we can use 30 degrees and 40 degrees for quick 30. Now we'll see the spin options. Because it was in 40, it is in 1000. Actually by default, so you have after 1000 you have 1200, 0, 400, 800. So 800 is the default RPM actually for quick 30. So 1000 and 1200 again. So you have the options for spin. You have from 0 to 1200. So as you can see, there are in all 4 temperature and 5 spin options. So in all you'll get 20 program options if you select this quick 30 by combining the different temperature and spin options, and the time depends on the selection of temperature and spin combination. So out of this 20 programs, I will show 5 programs which I get by selecting temperature 40 degrees, and I'm going to use various spin options for this 40 degrees. So for example, when it is at 40 and the spin is at 0, the time taken is 29 minutes. When the spin is 400, the time taken is 36 minutes. When the spin I select is 800, the time taken will be 38 minutes. For 1000 spin at 40 degrees, the time taken will be 39 minutes, and at 1200 RPM, the time taken will be 41 minutes. Similarly, you will get 5 programs for 30 degrees, 5 programs for 20 degrees and 5 programs for 0 degrees. So in all there are 20 programs. So this 41 minutes is the maximum time taken for this quick 30 program, here where I have selected maximum temperature of 40 degrees and maximum spin of 1200 RPM. So there is an additional option of pre-wash which can be selected along with this quick 30. So by selecting that, there is an addition of 11 minutes. So 41 has become 52. So for any combination you take, if you select pre-wash, it increases the time by 11 minutes. So the maximum time will be 52 minutes for this quick 30 program with the maximum temperature and maximum RPM and pre-wash. So I've got a few lightly soiled clothes, basically night dress and towels. They're all lightly soiled, which I'm loading now, and which I'm going to wash in this quick 30 program. So you have to take care that these NADA's threads are all fastened. So for this load, I'm going to use this new Surf Excel Matic Express Clean and Care, which means that it's also going to work as a detergent as well as a fabric conditioner. So now let's get started. So by default it goes to cotton, so I'll select the quick 30 program. So by default it goes to 30 minutes. Now I'll select the temperature. I'll select 40 degrees and a spin of 800, and so it's going to take 38 minutes. I'm not going to select the pre-wash because it's a very lightly soiled clothes, just night dresses. So pre-wash is generally used for heavily soiled clothes. So if at all for a quick 30 you have few heavily soiled clothes, you can use pre-wash. Here I'm not using it, so it's going to take 38 minutes. Quick 30 program with 40 degrees and 800 spin. So let me start. Smells good, and I think looks like it has done a good job. Yeah, it has worked as a fabric conditioner as well.